Hear ye, hear ye. Prepare thyself for the grand joust on the 15-minute battleground of E-mini S&P 500 futures. In this medieval melee, armored price knights clash for glory and gold. So don thy helmet and let the tourney begin. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 7,630, the royal balcony. Bulls need acceptance above it before raising the victory banners. Value area low, VAL, 7,622, the castle gate. Losing it allows bears into the courtyard. Point of control, POC, 7,626. The central jousting field where the greatest volume clash occurred. Current price, 7,626. Sitting directly near POC, leaving neither army with clear control. VWAP/EMA, 7,624/7,625. A tightly packed defensive shield beneath price. Support zone, 7,622 to 7,625. VAL, VWAP, and EMA combine as the primary long defense area. Deeper support, 7,619 to 7,620. A thinly traded moat. Failure here could accelerate the retreat. Resistance zone, 7,630 to 7,635. VAH, through the session high. Sellers have archers stationed on the battlements. Thin zones/escape paths, lower, 7,619 to 7,620. Sparse volume territory with limited structural support, upper, 7,634 to 7,635. A narrow tower ledge. Acceptance above could trigger fast continuation. Market context. The profile is balanced around 7,626, but price remains above VWAP and EMA, giving buyers a modest structural advantage. The session rallied from 7,619 to 7,635, yet heavy selling between 8:15 and 8:45 Eastern Time erased much of the advance. The tournament remains unresolved. Bulls hold the courtyard, but their armor has several suspicious dents. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume. Delta, CVD, breakdown. Opening, CVD, 4:15 Eastern Time. 0. Both armies entered the arena cautiously. CVD low, 5:45 Eastern Time, minus 2,163. Sellers briefly controlled the battlefield. CVD peak, 7:30 Eastern Time, plus 7,173. Aggressive buyers charged toward the session high. Current CVD, 9 o'clock Eastern Time, plus 806. Still positive, but dramatically below the peak. Interpretation. Price remains near POC, while CVD surrendered over 6,300 contracts from its high. That bearish divergence warns of buyer exhaustion or absorption near 7,630 to 7,635. The knights charge bravely, but somebody appears to have misplaced the cavalry. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry, 7,622 to 7,625, following a defended retest. Stop loss, 7,618, below the session low and thin volume moat. Targets, 7,630, then 7,635. Short trades. Entry, rejection within 7,630 to 7,635, or acceptance below 7,622. Stop loss, 7,636 for resistance shorts, 7,627 for breakdown shorts. Targets, 7,626 7,622, then 7,619. Avoid entering directly at 7,626 without confirmation. Trading at POC is often less jousting tournament and more two armored men arguing over parking. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A. Acceptance above. VAH. Long above 7,630 after a successful retest. Stop. 7,625. Targets. 7,635, then 7,640. Scenario B. Rejection at resistance. Short. 7,630 to 7,635. If price stalls and CVD fails to recover, stop. 7,636. Targets. 7,626, then 7,622. Scenario C. Value area. Bounce. Long 7,622 to 7,625 on buyer response and improving delta. Stop. 7,618. Targets. 7,626, then 7,630. Scenario D. Breakdown below. Val. Short. Below 7,622 after acceptance beneath value. Stop. 7,627. Targets. 7,619, then 7,614. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.